Hi, welcome to UX Living Lab. Today we are talking about Learning Level Index introduced to education segment from UX Living Lab. What is Learning Level Index? This Learning Level Index is a model which is based on Bloom's taxonomy. It's a hierarchical model all the education segment are using. It's adapted for practical application within education institutions. Categorize learning into 5 levels in our model, that is reading, understanding, explaining, evaluating, and applying in a context, that is creating. It facilitates personalized learning by addressing individual student needs. If you want to improve learning outcomes by focusing on critical cognitive skills, Learning Level Index is the right solution. At the same time, Learning Level Index provides real-time feedback from students, AI-driven comparative analysis between classes and subjects based on learning levels. The actionable reports provides data to improve teaching strategies and easily curriculum enhancement. I can explain how Learning Level Index works with different scenarios. For example, improving classroom instruction. The context is the teacher notices varying levels of student engagement and understanding in a class. So using Learning Level Index, the teacher collects real-time feedback on students' comprehension and engagement. The teacher identifies which concept needs more focus and adjusts teaching strategies accordingly. Another scenario, personalized student support. A student struggles with understanding and applying complex concepts. So how to apply Learning Level Index? It identifies specified day where the student needs help, such as moving from understanding to applying in a context. Targeted support and resources are provided, helping the student to improve their grasping power of the subject and perform better assessments. Another scenario is subject-wise analysis. Students shows inconsistent performance across different subjects. Our scale gathers detailed subject-specific feedback from students. Teacher uses these insights to develop targeted intervention strategies. This would result in improved understanding and performance. Another scenario, management decision making. So school management can take decisions based on the outcome of Learning Level Index. Scale provides detailed reports on student feedback and performance across various subjects and teaching methods. Management uses these insights to identify areas need improvement and develop strategic plans for the curriculum enhancement. How does it work? The first step is display the QR code in the classroom. The second step, QR code is scanned by students. There is a feedback form will be loaded and student can submit feedback. It will be connected to the real-time reports. Our AI will generate the real-time reports. That's very simple 4 steps. Do you want to experience it? Just scan this QR code and try the demonstrative live software. So you can select classroom and select subject and click connect. You can see the form and give the feedback. Then scan this QR code to see the report. So the reports also you can see in our demonstrative software. Now we can explain some of the frequent questions we received from the education segment and how we are addressing to that questions. As I said earlier, our model is related to Bloom's taxonomy. So Bloom's taxonomy talks about remembering, understanding, applying analyzing, evaluating, and creating. This is a well established educational framework that the process into 5 distinct levels. The basic level is remembering. We are relating into the reading level in our model. And it involves basic ability to recall facts, terms, and details from the learning material. The next level is understanding the information presented, including interpreting and summarizing contents. The third and fourth level in Bloom's taxonomy is applying and analyzing. We combine these two stages, and in our model it shows us explaining. It involves the ability to explain ideas or concepts in one's own words, showing the deeper understanding by breaking down information. The next level is evaluating. It represents as evaluating in our model. It involves making judgment about the value of information explained by others. The highest level is creating. It is applying in a context. The level involves using the information in a new and innovative context in real life. Another question we always face is, how do we calculate learning level index? The learning level index is a metric used to gauge the overall learning effectiveness that varies from 0 to infinity. Our scale is divided into reading, understanding, explaining, evaluating, and creating. How do we calculate learning level index? This process of calculating learning level index involves analyzing the distribution of students' feedback across these levels. We take proportion of students demonstrating higher order cognitive skills such as evaluating and creating with the students having very foundational skills, that is reading and understanding. So the analyzing unit is classroom. So in a classroom you can see different levels of the students having cognitive skills. The calculation considers how well students are progressing from basic comprehension to applying their knowledge in real life context. A higher learning level index indicates that more students are reaching higher cognitive skills, while a lower learning level index suggests a need for further support. And how the reports look like? The report is designed to give insights into students' learning over the selected time period, that is 7 days, 30 days, or 90 days of distribution of time series through 3 key components. Line charts will show the learning level index for each day, and the line charts that plots the learning level index value in y-axis against the days on the x-axis, and it's live. Day-wise response and attendance to show the number of students responses and attendance each day, because attendance is very important, is an important factor in this calculation. So number of students present in the classroom is the controlling factor of the percentage of the percentage which is reflecting while analysis, also the learning level index. The learning funnels, it illustrates the percentage of students in each learning category, that is reading, understanding, explaining, evaluating, and creating real world application. This design ensures that the educators and management get actionable insights by highlighting patterns in learning effectiveness, student engagement, and distribution across learning levels. And what is the accuracy of our report? Our reports are tested with AI models and we validate it as 95% accurate. The high level of precision indicates that the insights and metrics provided by the report are based on robust data and rigorous analysis. The reliability factor, the methodologies employed in this report, such as calculation and of the learning level index and data analysis techniques, have been carefully developed and validated. The next question I am addressing is the development stage of this platform and readiness for implementation. The report is built on strong foundation of data accuracy and insightful analysis, making it well prepared for deployment in education institutions such as universities, colleges and schools. As I explained earlier, the success rate is assessed with AI model is 95%. However, we are continuously cross checking accuracy in real world scenarios. And we have two models. One is if you are permitting phones in your classroom, you can directly scan the QR code individually. But if you are not permitting phones in the classroom, then you have to provide an iPad or some common device for the classroom. The students can give the feedback. Otherwise, you can show this QR code in the smart board, anyone can scan and give the feedback. That is the method. You can see the scale, that is 0 to 10, it talks from reading to creating level. Thank you so much. I hope this is very brief presentation which gives an insight to DoWell Living Lab Learning Level Index. Thank you.